I don't have any makeup on. Literally, this is me as is. I use this pen called YSL Touche Éclat. It's one of, you can even use plain concealer, but whatever you use, I mean, this is good. You just take a little bit on your fingers, like a dab, you hit it, dab. And then you gotta take it in this dab, like literally go and dab into the eye. It cannot be rubbed, guys, don't rub. That is the most annoying thing when I see people rub their under eyes and then they complain about crow's feet because they're doing this. So it's the most delicate part of the eye, and you literally dab, 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 dab. And it just, trust me, it reflects in the sun, so you end up not looking as exhausted as you feel. Right, so now we got the Touche Éclat out of the way. Now the most important thing after that is to brighten the eye up. So I got two things. One is I use this highlighter kind of pen from this company called Thrive, but you don't have to do all this drama. I'll just show you. You just take it and you kind of pull it this side to open the eye up a bit, right? My god, I look exhausted. So that's it. This is just to open the eye up. But if you don't have this fanciness that you can already see, you know, the way it's shining in there, it just sort of opens the eye. If you don't want to use this fanciness, take any shimmery thing that you have and just lift it up over here. This is my version of my makeup, okay? My morning makeup. So, I mean, I'm not a makeup person, but this is what I do. I pull up a little bit of shimmer here, and I always bring up a little shimmer on the outside just to, you know, like get the eyes to open. Yeah. Ooh, the main baby mascara. Now I'm using Marc Jacobs, which is obviously little fans. But frankly, I think any mascara works. A trick. And okay, I don't put a lot of liner because I really think if you put a thick amount of liner and stuff, it actually makes you look older, I feel, sometimes. Especially when you're looking tired and then you have heavy eyes and then you're putting so much makeup on. I do believe that you want to look really cool. The lips say it all. They just pop. Keep your eyes really light. Just you're gonna put your mascara. I'm still fussing, but dude, you gotta take time with those eyes. I keep telling my sister-in-law, Alishka, if you're listening, you are lazy as hell when it comes to mascara. Right. So I don't put many layers because it's the day. I want to look fresh and I just want to look sexy. I prefer going light because this is like a day thing. I'm always putting it on those edges because it just gives that very yummy look. Right. So this is just literally. Now I'm trying to say that, so you see how the shimmer just pops the eye. Just kind of take a little powder, and I'm using e.l.f. favorite powder in the world. Oh my god, it's literally like some $3 or something in the US, but it's Luminescence. I'm gonna write that down. Just take a little bit, not too much. Always throw it in your hand so you don't powder your face. And you're here, okay? And I mean, it's really light. I have no foundation on, and I do not put foundation at all. That's it. Now this is amazing, but I actually use, you can use any this is liquid lipstick. I mean, it's just e.l.f. lipstick, but I'm not very fond of too much makeup. I just take it, this is like a little bit of, you know, gloss, and I plump my cheeks. So I just got that very sun-kissed, you know, and it's very funny what to do because you get those balls in your cheeks and you go ting 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 ting. I feel like a baby right now. Yeah. So this is it. And then my most favorite part, if anybody wants to look a little like, you know, like me right now, hello, I'm 89 kgs, so I got a lot of weight on me, and sometimes I want to cover that up just because. So you're taking your really dark powder, you're putting it right on that little flab, and you're just cutting your, you know, if you use a cream one, it's easier and it actually does a harder, like it's a harder cover up. This is like a lighter cover up, and you take that. Always blow, you don't want too much. And yeah, and a little bit on your nose, you sharpen your nose, and just in general. Then, oh my god, this is my fast makeup. That makes no sense. I'm using Sundari from Nykaa. Dude, I have too many of their products. That's it. I'm just gonna pop my lips. I know I wear a lot of crazy colors on my lips. I love it. I don't care how tarty it can look. I like tarty on my lips. Anybody who cares about their whites, you can just take a little bit of your, you know, color and go tack, 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 but frankly, I don't care. And last but least, take a little bit of that blush, because blush is always going to make you look a little, you know, tick, 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 just a little. And yeah, that's it. Easy peasy day makeup. Really? With or without? You choose.